Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of this section. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to work with text on Canva. Working with text is an important skill for every graphic designer. It doesn't matter whether you are working with Photoshop, CorelDRAW or Canva. Working with text, like how to design text, customize your text, is a very important skill that every graphic designer needs to understand. So in this video, I am going to walk you through how to customize your text, design your text and make it beautiful with Canva. And as you can see from the sidebar here, you can see we have a lot of beautiful text here. So in this video, I am going to be showing you how to design text like this one you are seeing here, right here on Canva. So when you open your Canva, whether on your mobile or on your PC, this is how the interface will be. Once you open it, you just need to click on any of this here, or you can just click on create a design here. What I want you to do is just to open a blank page like this one. Just try to open a blank page like this one. So the one I'm using now is YouTube thumbnail. So after opening it, let's get started with text. But before that, let me show you something. If I click on this one, you can see it is showing here now. So this beautiful design here, text design here, is actually done on Canva. Everything you are seeing here, it is done on Canva. So, and you can even customize these ones you are seeing here. Okay, let's for instance, I want to change this one. I want to change the design. I can click on this first. As you can see, the design is changed already. So now let's not work on the templates here. Let's start from the scratch. On the sidebar here, when you open your Canva, you see text here. Initially, when you open it, this is how it will be. It will be on this section, this design. So you just need to locate text here. So after you click it, you have 4 options here to add your text. The first one is text box. The second one is heading. The third one is subheading, and the last one is body. Let me show you how each will look. The first, let me click on the text box. This is how it will look. Let me put it here. The second one is heading. If I click it, you can see it here. So the third one, subheading, you can see how it will be, and the body. This one is text box. This one is heading, sorry. This one is subheading, and this one is body. But the one I like to work most time with is text box. So let's just delete all of them here. So now let's start with our design. Let me add my text. The first text, just say so now this is text I added, and if you look at it, this text is too small for this page you are seeing. So the first thing we need to do is to increase the size, and there are 2 ways you can increase the size here. Is either you use this button here to increase the size like this, or you click on this text box here, then you come down, you come to this place and increase it by increase the size here like this, as you can see. Or you can just click on this, then select the font size you want to use. Let me say 42. Okay, let me just use another. Let me choose 48. So this side, this one is to increase the font size, and this side here is to expand the box, as you can see. Now the text is here. I don't want you can see the text is not well aligned. So now I want to align to center. What I can either drag it like this to the center like this, or I can just click it. Let me put it here. I can just click like this. Then I will not click position here. Then center. You can even align to the middle, top, left, right, bottom, and or you can just align to anywhere. So let me just use top, center, top, center, as you can see from here. Now the next thing we are going to do is to change this font here, the font of this text here. We need to change the font. So what I will do, I'll just click it. Let me just select it all. Then I will now come to this side. This is where the fonts are located. Then click on this drop down button. So you can see we have a lot of thousands of fonts here that you can choose. The ones with crown here are premium one, but everything you are doing here, you can do it. You can either everything you are doing here can also be applicable to this one is here. You just need to upgrade the account to premium one, so you can use them. There's nothing different here. So let me just look for, okay, let me go with this one. Then as you can see, the text font has already changed. So now I want to add color to this text. I can add color to all of them like this by clicking on this. You can see this A here, capital A here. So just click on it, then I can add color to it. Let me just choose okay, blue. Let me choose this blue here, and when I click it, you can see the color has changed here. But what I want to do here is that I don't want to add color to all of them here. I just want to add color to this Canva in the middle, just only this Canva in the middle. So what I'm going to do is like this. Let me just, okay, let me back it. If you want to undo, you can click this arrow here. So now it is back to black color. Now what I will do is to click on this one, then highlight just only this Canva, just this Canva. Then I will now come to this text, change it to blue. As you can see, this one has changed to blue. Now I want to add effect. There's something we call effect on Canva. It is what they add to this pizza party. It is effect that they added to it that make it like this. So I want to add effect to this one, to this text here, and I can do that by clicking on this effect on the top bar here. Now you can see they have different effects. I will be adding it one by one so you can see the differences. You can see, you can see the direction of this thing, offsets. So let me add another one. You can see this one here, another one, another effect, another effect, another effect, another effect, another effect. Background, you can see this background. So you can also change the background color by clicking on this head here. If you don't want it to be round like this, you can just you can see, or if you want it to be circle, you can see like this. So all these ones you can just increase or decrease it to your shape, as you can see. So all these things are very simple to use on Canva. these are the effects you can add. Let me just stick with this one, this lift effect. Now we have this beautiful text here, heading. Let me just call it heading here. Now we can add another text here by clicking on the text box here. Let me just, you can see it is taking the size and the font of this particular one I added. So what I will do now, let me put another text again. Okay. So now, if I don't want this one, this subscribe to be on the another line, I can just expand it. Can just expand it like this. Okay. Now, I also want to change. I don't want to use the same font with this one. So what I will do, just click it. Then I'll come to this font size here, font sidebar here. Then I will now look for another font again. You can also search font here. So let me just look the one another font that I would like to use. Okay, no, there is some let me look for font here. No. Okay, let me just choose anyone. Since okay, let me choose this one. That's okay. Now let me expand it. Just so good. So you can drag the text to anywhere on the page you like it like this. You can drag it. So let me just put it here. Now I want to show you another thing. Though that will have another section, the next section will be on that, will be basically for that particular effect I want to add now, that particular design I want to add now. So, but I just want to show you a tip of that design. You see, this particular this forget here. I want to add background to only this one, but I don't want to use background text, so I want to do something different. I want to change the color of this don't and subscribe. Then I will now add the background to only this one. So this is what I will do. I'll just highlight this don't here, come to this side, change the color. So okay, let me use the blue for this one. Then subscribe, let me change to red. Now this one, this forget here, I want to add something different to it. What I will do is to come to this. Okay, don't worry about that. That will be in the next video. Let me not bombard you with too many things here. So now another thing again is alignment. Text alignment. You can see text alignment. You can align like this from the left, to start from left. You can see it. Justify, this is justify, and this right, this center. Then list, there's list here, and this spacing, line space, letter space, and line spacing. This is what this means. As you can see, this line spacing and this letter spacing. Can you see it? So that is all for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand what we've discussed so far. If there's any part that you don't understand, please don't forget to drop it on the comment section. I'll reply to every one of you and put it through. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.